Yo! Like, I know how to cook, yeah? But I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo! It's 24-hour kitchen, I'm cooking with Ringo Vision. I've seen it on television, looking like he's on a mission. Cook the perfect family dinner and I only have...
Mad vibe. I swear to God, if you lot don't go mad right now, you might as well go home. You might as well go home. Whenever you're ready. So we're gonna do the vibes right now, people. What are you gonna say? We're gonna nasty song. We're there.
Yes, people, kuya. There, you know, man. A carnival vibration. I have one bag of corn, people, on the shopping trolley. And I push this thing here, going nothing ill. Carnival, right now. 2022 summer weekend in England. The shopping trolley outside the carnival, people. Forward it. Yeah, man, a good vibe. You don't know, so we look at 24-hour kitchen. There, man. Outside. You know, you no more, so check me up and nothing in a minute, yeah? Alright. Charlie, I try to run there with me, you know. I over here, me I go with this guy, you know, people. Yeah, man, a 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision because you know, I go by here, you know. Yeah, man, I start park with that's what people come. Some people want to park. You want to go on? For the carnival, the corn. Yeah, man, bring it. I'm gonna send you the details. 100%, barefoot. Yeah? Alright, yeah. Alright, it's said, I just see my virgin. In action. Ah, it's okay, thank you very much. Alright. Yes, people, it's said. Yeah, man, we're active, man. Yeah. Oh, come on. Look, if you look right, people, you don't know it. Why would it? I hate that, Look here, a Jamaican style, me I telling about no people because yeah man, original downtown England this year. Because them not create a uptown England yet. But with the downtown England, I got uptown England in a second people. Yeah man, you don't know, say we're outside. 24-hour kitchen. A bag of corn, you know. You think I joke, a bag of corn I go on. Yeah man. I'm mad news. Yes people, so you don't know, so I just pick up some more corn on the side and I tell you say a carnival weekend people is not a joke thing, so after deal with the thing proper people, go subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, the shopping trolley is out and I'm just doing my pickups because I couldn't put the corn them in one place, so I have to take out the shopping trolley to the people, yeah? And just I collect the car and them and I do road. Yeah man, just I collect the car and them and I do road, man. I'm mad sitting and I joke sitting people. Yeah man, 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, boiled corn, roast corn. Yeah man, every type of corn, man. Corn with garlic butter, corn with the Ringo Vision sauce pan it said we will make and put over a corn said we people. Every kind of corn you want this weekend, come check us and you know, get where you need power there. Outside. So you know, so we need a bag of coal. Can't do nothing without a bag of coal. So you know, so you have to start this thing good. So can't put on a bag of coal. And a chance to work because all them can you go cook. Well put right now, so everything starts off. Yeah. Yes, everybody, you know what I go on, you know, say we're there. Yeah man, as you can see, say we load up the trolley now, people. So say we got some paper plate, we got a bag of coal here, we got a portable table that can just understand just open up, you can serve from that table there. Yeah man, you know, so we have some aluminium foil as well, people. Yeah man, a good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. So people, I wanna think about the shopping trolley. Yeah man, shopping trolley, I have to come out and do a transportation to the people, yeah? Yeah man, a good vibes. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe everybody, because you know, so we're there, we're outside. Yeah man. Big up on yourself, everybody. Carnival weekend, London City. We're there. Jamaica vibration.
Some mad vibes. I swear to God, if you lot don't go mad right now, you might as well go home. You might as well go home.
Yes, everyone, as you can see, everybody's just setting up for their carnival. Yeah, man, a good vibe. You don't know, so we're out, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. We're outside. Yeah, man, a good vibe.
Woodlands Trust represent. Big up Ringo Vision.
Yes, respect, yeah? Alright. People, we're outside, 24-hour kitchen. The officer says that we need to have more vegetarian and vegan.
Yes, definitely.
And then you have to big up the channel as well.
Oh yeah.
24-hour kitchen.
Is it called 24-hour kitchen?
Yeah.
24-hour kitchen.
Big up.
Big up. There you go.
Yeah? And you're from?
I'm from Woburn Forest.
Woburn Forest?
Yeah.
Alright, people. You don't know what
Have a good day.
White, 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 white.
Oi! We're outside, man. Got a new carnival, cook and vibe, 24-hour kitchen, mainstream, front page. General, big up yourself. Nasty sound. My name is M.R. You might know me through Dubu Dubu Daga. Or you might know me through 100 Gal. So make some noise if you know my name. Make some noise if you know my name. Run the rhythm, man. Run the rhythm. Alright, they call you. We are vibes, right? Take no, we are taking a man. Dugu Daga, Dugu Daga. people. Yo.